Hello and a good day. I am Dr. Sirish Nalivigi, Director, Nalivigi Eye Hospital and Surgical Center, Bilandur, Bangalore. Welcome to our news video channel where we keep giving out information regarding the eye and its disorders. Today, I am going to talk to you about the need for the cataract surgery. We often get asked this question, why do I need to undergo a cataract surgery and how will it help me? We have talked to you before in our previous videos about the different aspects of cataract, like its treatment, how it's diagnosed, and what are the different types of cataracts and what is a cataract in the most basic step. So the need of the cataract surgery is actually very critical. Lot of patients do experience drop of vision, decreased vision, but they do not know exactly what is the issue. When they come to the doctor, the diagnosis can be made as cataract, and when the cataract is present in the eye, this can result in symptoms like generalized decrease of vision, blurring of vision. If you see a form or a shape, you see it quite hazy, the edges are not seen properly. You also can have situations where you can see a lot of glare or halos around light. Suppose we leave the cataract unattended or without the surgery, what happens is the patient is slightly more prone to have small mishaps or sometimes even major mishaps, like as in posterior subcapsular cataract, which can cause trouble during night driving. So during the day, when you have something called as nuclear sclerosis, which is one of the common types of cataract, you can have difficulty in reading your newspaper, reading the mobile phones, or even seeing people and identifying them based on how advanced the cataract is. In early stages of cataract, it may be very subtle, but as the cataract goes on advancing, it might be as bad as a situation where you won't be able to see your next step ahead. It's not a wise thing to let the cataract go till such an advanced stage. Given the newer methods of surgery, the modern advances of surgery, and seeing how simple the cataract surgery can be, it is a wise thing to get cataract operated at the earliest stage when it starts causing you symptoms. The other type of cataract which I told you, the posterior subcapsular cataract, causes difficulty during night driving. Suppose you are driving at night and you don't have very good bright street lights, you have to depend upon the headlight of a car. In such a situation, when you are driving, the oncoming headlights cause a lot of glare and halos so severe that they actually start blinding you. In fact, they blind it so much that you won't be able to see the oncoming car properly and you might end up in an accident. Also, there is something called as binocular vision. If there is a disparity in the cataract position between the right eye and the left eye, or in other words, if one eye cataract is more than the other, this can cause a loss of binocularity. Loss of binocularity will cause a situation where you won't be able to have a good depth perception. When you don't have a good depth perception, for example, you are walking on a road, you might be able to see the steps, you might be able to see the ditches, you might be able to see the manholes, but however, you won't know the exact position of them and the exact depth of them. This position of the depth or the idea of depth can be got when both of the eyes are seeing simultaneously to gauge the depth of it. In cases of cataract, especially in asymmetric cataracts, this takes a beating and this can result in mishaps and falls which are totally unwanted. I hope this information has helped you understand what are the problems caused by cataract and why is it that you need to undergo the cataract surgery so importantly. Especially in older people where most of the cataracts happen, the movements of persons become slower. It's all the more important that we take care of these situations as fast as possible by improving the vision. I hope this information was very helpful to you, and I request you to please look forward to our future videos where we will be giving out more information with relevant topics of ophthalmology. Thank you.